video, we have been talking about place value. So I'm going to read a book to you that goes over the relationships of numbers in place value. And it's called Wells. This book is by John Hudson. And the big idea is to expand the understanding of numbers, relationships, and place value. So I would like to just read it to you. Some scientists study whales. Different kinds of whales swim along the west coast of the United States of America. A scientist sees 8 blue whales. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. And here is a map of North America. It shows Canada, the United States, and Mexico. The scientist also sees 13 humpback whales. Humpback whales sing underwater. Did scientists see more humpback whales or more blue whales? Let's see. There were 8 blue whales. And there were 13 humpback whales. Which one did the scientists see more of? Let's see. 8 or 13. Which one is a larger number? Yes, 13. So that's what you want to write down here. Not very pretty. Whales also swim along the east coast of Canada in the United States of America. Pilot whales swim behind a leader or a pilot. A scientist sees a group of 29 pilot whales. Let's think about the number 29. Fin whales are fast swimmers. They are the second largest whales in the world. Each scientist sees a group of 27 fin whales. Let's think of the 27. How many tens are in the number 27? Are there 2 tens or 7 tens? Which digit is in the tens place, the 2 or the 7? Yes, the 2. So there are 2 tens and 27. So let's think for a minute, how much is this 2 worth? Is it worth 2 or 20? Well, I'm looking at the 2 and it's on the tens place, followed by one more digit. So if I put a 0 in place of it, it is worth 20, and that would be its value. Humpback whales swim to the warm water near Mexico for the winter. Humpback whales may have as many as 35 throat groups. If you think of the number 35, which digit is in the ones place and which one is in the tens place? Let's do the first one. Think of 35. Which one is in the ones place? The 3 or the 5? Yes, the 5 is in the ones place. Sorry. And which digit will be in the tens place? Yes, the 3. The same way the 2 was in the tens place in 27. So that would be 3. So if it's in the tens place, how much is the 3 really worth? 3 or 30? Yes, it would be worth 30. So let's work on number 1. We are not going to worry about this page, but you are welcome to write your own story. You can compare two numbers. And here are some vocabulary words. So if you want to pause this and try this activity, you might. But I'd like to read to you number 1. Which number of whales has a 4 in the tens place? So let's use this table. I'm looking at how many humpbacks the scientists saw. 34, 13 blue whales, 27 fins, and 43 pilots. So first of all, I'm looking for a 4. So the only possible numbers would be 34. There are no 4s here and no 4s here. The other possibility would be 43. So again, which one has a 4 in the tens place? The 34 or the 43? Good job, the 43. Just like the 3 on 35. So this is a 4. So you'll just write 43. Sorry, it's really hard to draw with my mouse. I'm sorry about that. Let's do one more. Look at the number 2. How many tens and ones describe the number of young blue whales? So we're going to look at those. That would be this one. So now I'm looking at the number 13. How many tens are in 13? 1 or 3? Yes, 1 10. And how many ones? Yes, 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones make up the number 13. Good. Let's do number 3. Compare the number of young humpback whales and the number of young pilot whales seen. So compare 34 and 43. Is the 34 greater than, here's your greater than sign, or is the 34 less than 43? What do you think? I believe we should underline the greater number. Is 34 more or 43 more? And friends, the way I'll do it, I'm just going to look at the tens place. I see a 3 here and I see a 4 here. So I know 43 is greater. And I know the alligator had to eat the bigger number. So I'm going to place the less than sign in the middle. And now I'm going to read the number sentence. Remember, number sentences are those sentences made up of numbers and symbols. So this is a number sentence. Let's read it together. 34 is less than 43. Good. Let's work on our last one. Number 4. Compare the number of young fin whales and the number of young blue whales seen. Again, we're going to write greater than or less than. And I'm going to use my strategy. They both have 2 digits. They both have 2 digits. So I'm going to look at the biggest digit in the tens place. The 2 or the 1. And yes, the 27, it's a larger number. So if the alligator big mouth eats the bigger number, it will look like that. That would be greater than. So now I'm going to read the number sentence together. Ready? 27 is greater than 13. Good. I hope this review was helpful. Do your best, everyone, and reach out if you have any questions. Bye.